It's me, Drew Rad. What's up? You want some? And I was like, no, yes. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is the first day of September, box week. Woo! That was, wow, that was much. That was a lot. That was a lot. Also, I'm like sweating right now. Like I literally, like all of that energy just right there, that's how old I'm getting. That like just that little bit of like, woo! I'm like, okay, girl. I'm like sweating. Anyways, so I'm actually really excited today. So first of all, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew. If you didn't catch that from the beginning of this video, it's me, Drew Rad. What's up? Also, you should subscribe to my channel. Only if you like this kind of crazy all the time, as well as if you really like subscription boxes and other fun little videos. I'm gonna start doing a lot more videos. I know I mean it this time. Like I say that and I get really busy, but like I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna start making more videos. I don't know. I've been having fun. Like I don't know where this is going, but I wanna see it to the end. So anyways, so today I'm actually really excited because we're starting off box week of September 2019 with a brand new subscription box, and this is the Sips By box. So Sips By, they reached out to Drew Rad right here, and they're like, girl, you want to try out our box? And I was like, yeah, I do. Sips By is a monthly tea subscription, and I feel like this is like the best time of year to introduce a subscription like this to my YouTube family. So first of all, if you're watching this video and you're like, I want to try that box myself, if you use the code Drew with the number 5, you will get $5 off your first box. So DREW 5, and you'll get $5 off your first box. This is a $15 monthly subscription, and you get 4 personalized teas. They have like 150 brands of teas that they choose from. And I was like really excited about this. So recently, I just like got back into drinking tea. You want to know why? It's because of Joshy. Joshy drinks tea all the time. He's always like, I'm gonna have some tea right before bed. You want some? And I was like, no, yes. And so now I was like, well, guess what, Joshy? I'm gonna be getting my own tea sent to me to try out. Anyway, so I'm actually really pumped to try this out. I'm like, I want to get into the video. I'm ready to get into it. Also, if you are for real like brand new and you're like, I don't know what's going on here, nobody does, don't feel bad. You're not left out. Like literally, this is not like an inside joke where like my people know what's going on. Like nobody knows what's actually happening on my channel. Not even me. That's what makes it so fun here. But I will tell you that if you are catching me for the first time, we're about to have a new video every day for 7 days, because that's what we do during box week. We have a brand new video every day for 7 days. All right, I've got Mr. Wayne here, my John Wayne pocket knife, to bust open this first box of Sips By, and that's sipsby.com, SIPSBY.com. Code Drew number 5 to save $5 off your first box. I'm pumped. I want to say, first of all, I think that this box is really cute. I think it's adorable. I don't know why, but like it's really simple, and I think that's really adorable, and I'm into it. All right, so on the first thing, this one says September teas. So these are my teas for the month of September. So the cool thing is, it looks like this sheet is going to tell me all about my teas inside the box. So I'm excited. All right, the first thing that we have is Premium Matcha Latte Infusions Think with functional mushrooms, lion's mane, and cordyceps. Just add milk, hot or cold. This is exciting, you guys. Okay, so this is like the first one I got are these like matcha teas. They gave me like 3 of these. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, this is cool. I'm already like, yay, about this. This is really, really, really cool. Jade leaf matcha. So we got some matcha teas to try out. They gave me 3. This is my first type on here. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, so basically this functional blend includes matcha for calm, focused energy, lion's mane and cordyceps for brain health, ginger for digestive support, and prebiotic fiber for gut health. I also want to mention that you actually take a survey and they do personalize the boxes to you. So I thought I should mention that. I should have mentioned that earlier, I'm mentioning it now, so that's all you need to know. All right, next thing that we have is this K&K chai something better. This was packaged, it actually was packaged in July. It's Persian chai. First of all, it looks real cute. Look how pretty that looks. I am freaking out. Josh is gonna be so jealous. Guys, Josh is gonna be so jealous when he sees all this tea. And I have to decide if I'm gonna share it or not. That's where I'm at right now. I'm opening this box and I'm like, do I wanna share it with Joshie or do I wanna let Joshie see my wonderful tea drinking experience? We'll find out later. Anyway, so Persian chai, sips by K&K, high caffeine, need that. Oh, and the other one was medium caffeine. Tea found its way to Persia, Iran, along with the Silk Road from India, and soon became the national drink. This blend includes black tea, cardamom, and rose, plus a hint of fruity rose hips. Oh my God, here we go. Let's do this. All right, next thing that we have is, they actually have in here a reusable muslin cloth tea bag for disposable tea bags inside. So this is really cool. So you actually can use this. They send you this with like tea bags inside of it to actually make your tea. That is so thoughtful. I actually feel like that's amazing because that's something that like if you actually are not a regular like loose leaf tea drinker, you're like, how am I make this though? They got you covered. You guys, this is like a really thoughtful subscription and I'm very happy that it is now on my channel. Next we have Arbor Tea's Peach Rooibos. Ooh, I love me some Rooibos tea. I used to like go to like tea place and be like, can I try Rooibos? I think I liked it because of the name, but also it does usually have a really great flavor. Anyways, so Organic Peach Rooibos by Arbor Teas. Caffeine free. This blend combines rooibos with the essential oils of a peach, adding a subtle peach flavor atop the already apricot-like rooibos. Delicious hot, and it also makes an amazing iced tea. That is exciting. I think that's awesome. And the cool thing is you can actually go and like order these if you want to try them later. So that's cool. So, and then one like serving of this is like 1 teaspoon, and obviously there's like a bunch more than 1 teaspoon in here. So you can actually use this multiple times. I guess I should mention that. Like this isn't like 1 cup of tea. Like this is like multiple tries here. And again, they sent me a bunch of like the disposable tea bags to use and reuse. And then finally, we got Flower Pot. Oh my God, is this one of those blooming ones? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, I'm trying. Oh my God, I'm gonna freak out. Oh my God, it's one of those blooming ones. You guys, I've never had one of these. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've always been afraid to buy them. I got one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a blooming tea. It's made from hand sewing tea leaves into a ball with a flower creation inside. Place 1 bloom into a clear pot or a large glass with boiling water and watch the magic happen. You guys, these sent me one of those little flowers. Oh my God, freaking out. Okay, sorry, be cool, Drew. Nope, can't do it. Just tried it, can't do it. Okay, yeah, literally, this is what it looks like. So it's gonna be one of those things where you put in a clear pot. Look at, you guys, that's so dope. Oh my gosh. So if you like tea, you should get the subscription. And if you want to try it out, like I said, I got me a code. It is Drew with the number 5 to save $5 off your first box. It's $15 per month. I think this is a smart subscription. If you're actually like, the reason I love subscriptions like this, and you guys know I also do like food boxes and things, the reason I love subscriptions like this is because tea is not something that I'm like well versed in. It's not something I know a ton about. So this is a way that I get to actually try and experience things without that guessing game. I'll be honest with you, I go to like stores to like look at tea and I'm like, I really don't know what I should invest in or try because I don't really know what I'm gonna like. So I gave them the things that I like, and then they did all the guesswork and they're like, girl, you gonna like this? You ain't, oh no, get this, here you go. And they sent me a box and I get to try it, and now I can experience stuff. And the cool thing is, if there's things that I like, I can just go to stores and act like I know what I'm talking about. Be like, I like peach rooibos, please, thank you. Okay, anyways, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. You can wear the Just Like Drew crew, and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of Box Week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Bye. And out there in the heat. But this and this, while I'm excited to have them, don't quite make sense to me. You know what I mean? And then like the Dove like men's hair